Kingsun machines dot end-to-end finishing and converting solutions, from surface finishing to converting. Our portfolio covers laminating, die cutting, folder gluing, flute laminating, hardcover making, and more. Thermal laminating machines protect prints, enhance gloss or matte effects, and improve wear resistance. Precise temperature and pressure control deliver strong, even adhesion with reduced silvering. Stable running and quick film changeovers keep the finishing line efficient. Automatic die cutting machines. High speed, high accuracy converting for paperboard, duplex board, and more. Folder gluer machines. Turn flat blanks into finished cartons with consistent quality. Accurate folding paths and reliable gluing deliver square, strong boxes. Supports straight line, lock bottom, and multi-point styles for diverse jobs. Flute laminators. Laminate printed sheets to corrugated board for much higher strength. High registration accuracy, smooth feeding, and stable stacking reduce rework. Ideal for e-commerce packaging, display packaging, and transport-ready cartons. Contact us to enjoy 24/7 support from our engineering and sales team. Kingsun Machinery. Professional post-printing solutions tailored to your production needs.